So you have the rolling walker from Voc, and in this video I'm going to show how to get this thing assembled, but they do make it as easy as possible. So all they're going to do is they're going to label each of these legs for you. So as you can see here, this one has a D on it. So then at that point, we're just going to go to our piece here, and you just literally have to match letters, and then you're just going to pop it in with a pen. But I'll also do it on video for you. Just know they make it as easy as possible for you. All right, and we're going to start with letter A here. So like I said, A is going to go into A. It's that easy. Now at this point, you're going to do your height, but you can easily adjust it later if you would need to do that. So just grab it here, push it in. We'll get it popped into place. Now we're going to go on to B. Same thing as before. Letter B here. It's going into B here. Now we can move on to the other wheel. Same thing. D is going to go into D right here. Push it down there. Push in the pins. Get it popped into place. Move on to that next wheel. And just make sure these two are facing in there, that cable facing the inside of the walker. All right, now we got the wheels on. We're basically got this thing assembled. We got the handlebars in and the backrest and that front bag. Okay, now we can move on to getting the handlebars in. I did move it a little bit closer so you can see, but these are gonna have pins in there. Very easy though. All you're gonna do is unscrew them, find the correct height you want, and then we're just gonna push it back in there and then screw it into place. Now we'll move over to the next side, same thing. Unscrew your pin. And we'll screw the pin back in. And now the final step is just getting this backrest and handbag on here. So how you get this on there is super easy. So right here, you're gonna be able to lift these up actually. And it's just gonna slide into place. Hopefully you can see that. We're just gonna slide this one down. Same thing on the other side. And then once we close that, we have now locked them into place. They're not going anywhere. All right, now the final step is just getting our bag on here. Now this is optional, but it is pretty convenient to have. So there's just gonna be hooks here, and all you're gonna do is just slide it over. It's nothing hard to do. We'll get this side on. Okay, and now we'll do the same with the other. So this whole thing took me, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes to put together. Super easy. As you can see, there's no tools. You just pop everything into place and you are good to go. Overall, this was super easy to assemble. It can hold up to 350 pounds, so it is pretty heavy duty. So if you are looking for a walker, maybe a loved one needs one, this is something that can easily be assembled for you. And it's gonna work out awesome.